My name is John Vendafreddo. I'm a project manager for Hogan Design Construction. So when I'm not working during the day, I really like to spend time with my family. That's like my number one thing. I have 3 kids, 3 boys, my beautiful wife, Carolyn. We like to go to Michigan. We do hikes. We do activities with the kids all the time. I just love being with my kids. It's my passion. They're my passion. So I have a 5-year-old Johnny, I have a 3-year-old Will, and I have a 1-year-old Nicholas. Some activities I like to do, I really enjoy snowmobiling, I like off-roading, and I did a lot of that pre-kids, and now I'm hoping that with 3 boys, they can kind of roll right into that with me and do those fun activities with me.